Hello and welcome to Nural Tech Apps. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using the Nural SFA app. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into the world of the product catalog. So, let's dive right in. Begin by clicking on the app icon to open the application. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, a hub of possibilities. Navigate to the product catalog by clicking on the designated tile amidst the various module options. Within the product catalog section, you'll discover a drop-down menu featuring all the uploaded catalogs. Take a moment to select and view the catalogs available. Excitingly, there's more. Feel free to download any catalog you fancy. Simply use the provided option, and you'll have your chosen catalog at your fingertips. And there you have it. A quick guide on navigating the product catalog feature. Enhance your experience by exploring and downloading the catalogs that matter to you. We hope you find this tutorial helpful in using the Nural SFA app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing Nural Tech Apps.